Alright, scoops for Maria. She said, one scoop. Wait, I'm gonna restock it. Wait, my hair is getting on my eyes. Okay. I cannot open this. Oh. Wait, guys. There was a super buddy. Someday, whatever song. Scoops for Maria. She said only one scoop. Yes, she said only one scoop. So she got look how many she got. There's a little one, so I'm gonna video plus 20 more. Oh, the little one counted, and now the little one. Let's count it. No, it's not one scoop. She's only a little one because her one scoop. Yes, only the little ones. Okay guys, this is how much she got. The big one doesn't count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 scoop. No, that's actually 9. Someday what is so the reason don't worry, my sister is missing. Hey, let's do that. Look, come on, let's open the bag. Look what she got. She's so lucky, girl. You're so lucky, girl. Whoever ordered this, call her one. Her name is Maria. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19! They jumped. Alright, let's open the bag. One, she got this one. So beautiful and stretch. Now let's right here. I thought that was the guy. Hey, stop. Wow. She said it. I saw in the bag of CDs. One more. Bingo. Aray no. Baka. Pilipina ako. Pilipina ako. Hindi ako ibang bansa. Gusto nyo mag-live ako sa susunod. Comment kayo. Ito na maghiwagang bracelet. Ooh, stretchy. Another one. Ooh, another one. Sorry, guys. Wait, guys. Bantay mo to, ah. Pag hindi mo to binantay, papatayin kita. Alam ko bahay mo. Oo, sa ibang bansa. Yung iba sa Pilipinas. You're dead. Just kidding. Wala kaming pera. Itang guys, ah.
Ano yan? Madulas ka na?
Hoy! Hugas me. Guys, I'm back. Question. Wow. Wait, what is name? What is it name? What is it named? Wait. Two. Wait. What? Its name is Steve. Okay. Bye guys, I'm gonna end this video.